This parade is for the costume contest. The parade is the costume contest winners. I am not mad at that. That is amazing.
Everybody else in the costume contest, period.
Yes! Now let's walk in the back and we can be in it. Now we're in it. Now we're in the parade. We're in the parade.
Yep.
We're in the parade. Go.
Yep.
Tack, tack, tack. Hello everyone. I'm a pumpkin. Happy Halloween, Boilz and Ghoulz. Today we are in Brevard, North Carolina, to witness a Halloween festival of festivities, including a parade, vendors, spooky costumes, and Halloween fun.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. It's bright and sunny. I almost am not used to the sun. I'm blinded. I hope we're recording. I'm really excited today. This is like near our hometown, so it's our local Halloween festival, and we're gonna take you guys with us.
Yeah, really excited. We're actually getting to go out to this because, yeah, I like Brevard a lot. It's Transylvania County.
Yeah, we're in Transylvania County today,
you know,
for a Halloween festival.
That's freaking awesome.
There's a minion and she's really small.
It's a whole vampire family. We're in Transylvania County, so of course we're gonna see an entire vampire family.
Oh, you can see the mountains in the background. It's a pretty day. Get on the magic book bus.
Oh my god, look, magic book bus. No tricks, just treats. Free books. What? Scary stories to tell in the dark.
1 and 3.
Yes. I already have those, but that's awesome to
Those
see.
are goosebumps. Very cool. There's a bunch of kids' books.
I'm singing in the blues.
Those scary dolls.
Yeah. This is the magic book bus.
Right here.
This is so cool.
Horrible Harry moves up to the third grade.
Oh, the Harry. Nice. I have 1 or 2 of those.
Look, Doug's first movie.
Wow, this is my favorite booth, and it's the first one we've looked at.
All right, yeah.
Oh, wow. This is awesome.
Oh, they got a bunch of like smaller books. They might have some goosebumps or some.
No one's trying it.
Yeah, if you want to come, just like. It's all free. They said they take donations. I've got the $2 bill.
Wait, for real? It's free?
Yeah.
Yo, let's see if we can find a Fear Street.
It's like one out that you can take.
Yo, they've got awesome books. This is so rad. Let's go. Oh, they even got a little seat here.
A couple different Harry Potter.
Yo, this bus. Look at the ceiling. This is so cool. What is it?
Steak and cheese, man. I literally said I wish I could find it. Someone just said they found it outside.
No way.
Yeah.
What?
They're taking it though.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Well, that's never my turn. I'm looking for you. I'm happy to have this.
Oh, spooky witch hat. Dang it, why didn't I wear my damn witch hat? I was thinking all pumpkin today. I forgot my hat.
Literally in the car. Do you want me to run back and get it for you?
That's right, you need more joy in your life, people. Like this. A Halloween festival. Look at all the witchy hats. Let's go.
I make videos. There you go. You tell them what you got.
Hey, $15,000 window and door makeover. You can't win it until you're in it. You'd be mad not want the savings.
Oh my god. I'd listen to her. She sounds serial.
Okay, I don't know why we haven't enjoyed downtown Brevard more often, because it's really nice here.
I'm glad we're here today.
Yeah, it's very nice out today. Everybody seems to be having a great time. Everybody's got a good vibe going. This is awesome.
Look at the dog. He's having a good day too.
over here waiting for the costume contest, but it looks like there's a witch dance going on over here.
And where there's witches, there's Stevie. Hey, there's Dinner! Look at Dinner getting away! He's getting away! Five Nights at Freddy's character. Oh, Sleepy Power Ranger and the unicorn skeleton. He's happy. Oh, he's having a good day. Oh, look, they painted the...
It's a lot of fun. It's a broomstick race. You have someone you can race against?
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
You can race against Dwayne.
So that little dude's gonna race it. There he goes.
Just like that, yeah.
He won! Yeah, he won! Adorable. Yo, we're gonna have to come back to that. Okay, we're at the end. Let's flip around. We're gonna have to come back to Brevard Him.
Yeah.
Because it is local. They gave us a free T-shirt. We got free shots. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
It literally tastes like a Capri Sun. All right, let's see if we can find this parade. Mother trucker. We gotta find the parade.
Anywhere. Look, it's Scooby-Doo and Velma.
Oh my God.
Y'all are awesome puppies!
Okay, I was gonna say though, it's kind of funny that it's a caution cone trying to take care of the dinosaur. We're gonna be on the news. Are you ready? Wave. We're gonna incept the news.
Nice meeting you.
We did it. We incepted the news. Watch us on Brevard News. It probably already came on.
Here, I want to go on this library bus.
Okay, let's go check it out.
I want to take that. I love this. Turn here you go. Yeah.
We kind of need it.
It's a little haunted house full of books. Oh, there's so much in here.
Go, girl. Go, girl. Go, girl. Go, girl. Go, girl. With your pom poms. With your pom poms. Go, girl. With your pom poms. Hey, 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 hey.
Go, girl, with your pom-pom. Best family. That's awesome.
These are the contest winners of the costume contest. Look at his card. He's amazing. Yo, he almost ran that guy over. Been dangerous. Best monster. He's a gremlin. Of course he won. Best DIY costume. Yes, you're amazing. Cool. Oh, look, there's Beanie Babies. They're Beanie Babies. Check them out. Best DIY costume. Go. Yes. This makes me happy to see so many adults dressed up. Look, up and away. You're fine. This parade is for the costume contest. The parade is the costume contest winners. I am not mad at that. That is amazing.
Everybody else in the costume contest, period.
Yes! Now let's walk in the back and we can be in it. Now we're in it. Now we're in the parade. We're in the parade.
Yep.
We're in the parade. Go.
Yep.
Tack, tack, tack. Hello, everyone. I'm a pumpkin. We didn't enter the contest at all, but we're in it.
We are in the parade.
We're in the parade. Go. We just walked in the back. Tack, 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 tack. We're filming the parade.
Brevard is known for their white squirrels. There's a big one right there. There's a whole Deadpool family right there.
Everyone, Dwayne, you're in the parade.
Oops, sorry.
Dwayne, don't step on squirrels.
Sorry.
You're not supposed to step on squirrels.
Let's watch everybody watching us. This is everybody watching us. We are the parade.
Yeah, that should be an act, huh? So
You need a flag for a...
Yeah, be a zombie. I'm a pumpkin, I'm just happy. He's a zombie, I'm a pumpkin, I'm just happy. Dwayne's a zombie in a parade. More zombie, Dwayne, more zombie. Give me more zombie. More zombie. More zombie. He's still zombing over here. Oh, he's zombieing. Oh, he's getting back in zombie mode. Oh no, there he goes.
Where are we going to go? No, they're just conglomerating there to take photos.
yeah. At least.
Oh no, they're going around.
Yeah.
Oh, we're in it.
We're in it now. We committed. Uh-oh.
Yo, there's shops back here I wasn't aware of, and somebody decorated really cool for Halloween over here. And that's Frick. Oh my god. That's so cool. These decorations are awesome. We're still walking with the parade.
Are you zombieing again?
I'm scared of this zombie, you guys.
Zom for me.
Now back up so I can get a good shot of you. Now zom. It's all in the feet.
I'm gonna walk into this pole. Okay, that was awesome. We were just like impromptu part of the parade. We weren't part of the...
So all the parade was the people in the costume contest. So we just walked behind them. Dwayne's over here still zombing.
I hear music. I hear drums.
Dad's the manager. The parade is over, so now everyone is taking photos. Look at this big Pac-Man family. Wow. They look awesome. Got the Pac-Man. Everybody's so cool.
Say what?
Vampers.
So it was just proof that I should have stayed outside the wood party because I just kind of glanced through it. It's okay.
Ooh, I hear the Ghostbusters, but you know what? I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
I ain't afraid of no toast.
I ain't afraid of no burnt toast.
All right, guys, that was the Brevard Halloweenfest of 2025.
Yeah, we were in the parade. That was
We
cool.
were actually in the parade by accident. And Dwayne started walking like a zombie.
Yeah.
That was so much fun, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us for this Halloween parade and festival.
That was a good time.
It's going to be a really fun week here on the Destination Stone channel. It's Halloween week. Happy Halloween, guys.
That's right. Happy Halloween.
It's going to be so much fun. We got more haunts coming, of course. And they've got a double feature Friday Night Flicks coming up on Halloween night.
That's right.
So if you want to come hang out with us, come hang out with us. We're watching 2 scary movies.
Right. And be sure to check out our exclusive Halloween merch.
Yeah.
Linked in the description, I'm sure.
Yeah. Get it before it's gone. It will be gone by the end of October.
That's right.
And don't forget to check us out over on the Boilz and Ghoulz Club on Patreon. There's a lot of cool stuff you don't want to miss over there.
If you Boilz and Ghouls had fun on this adventure, check out this one right here. You'll enjoy that one as well.
And guys, as always, thank you for taking a little bit of your time to watch a little bit of our lives.
And until next time, Boilz and Ghouls,
Onward and upward.
All right, off to the next Halloween festivities. Happy Halloween week, everyone.